This video shows how to refill the ink tank on the Epson L3110 printer. ProDot ink model P-001 CMYK. You need to refill the ink when the ink tanks are low or empty. Firstly, open the ink tank lid. Remove the plug from the ink tank you are refilling. Remove protective seal. With the ink bottle upside down, place the top of the ink bottle on the tank spout. To prevent leakage, do not exceed ink fill line marked on the tank. Push the ink tank plug back into its slot to seal the tank. Make sure the plug is pressed firmly into place. Repeat these steps to refill any other low or empty tanks. Close the ink tank lid. Enjoy the high-quality prints.